Hi everybody, Paul here from Flying Colors Painting, doing a quick check-in with a job that we're doing out in Winchester. And here's a farmhouse that we took on that the people that owned it, their parents have passed away, and they'll be putting it on the market shortly. But it needs a refresh, and the property is quite nice, and the God bless them. The people that own the place are out taking out probably 60 years worth of stuff out of the house and into bins, and they're out at the garage right now. I can see them, and they've got it all emptied out. And it's bin city here, so the cleanup is there definitely, and the cleanup in this house is occurring as well too. My boys started on Monday, and it's Wednesday now. They got the day off today, but they've been 2 days in here, and I can tell you, last week when I came and looked at this place, the smell was just very musty and water damaged everywhere, and most of the ceilings had really bad water stains on them, so there's a water issue here somewhere. But we came in with oil-based primer. We primed, shellac-based primer, I should say, and we sealed all of the ceilings and painted Promar 400 flat onto the ceilings. Well, that's our go-to ceiling paint. And I'm going to turn the camera around, and I'll just do a little walkthrough here now. The smell is just completely disappeared. It smells like nice, fresh paint.